welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to store NFTs using Ace Wallet. Launch the Ace Wallet application on your device and log in using your credential. Ace Wallet supports various cryptocurrencies that can be used for NFT transactions, such as Ethereum and Bitcoin. Make sure you have the necessary wallet set up to receive and store the NFT. If you don't have a wallet for the specific blockchain where your NFT resides, which is Ethereum for most NFTs, you will need to create, import an existing wallet that supports NFTs. After acquiring an NFT, you can view it within your wallet. While Ace Wallet may not display NFT in the same way as dedicated NFT wallet, you can track your asset through the transaction history. For detailed view of your NFT, consider using external platform or services that can connect to your wallet and display your NFT collection. Websites like OpenSea allow you to connect your wallet and see your NFT visually. Always ensure that the NFT you store are compatible with the blockchain supported by Ace Wallet. Make sure to keep your wallet secure by backing up your recovery phrase and enabling security features like biometrics or strong password. By following these steps, you can store NFT using Ace Wallet and manage your digital collectibles securely. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.